Yes, sir. What's the deal, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Kinfolkkari coming back at y'all with another banger. Man, and as y'all can tell by the title, your boy finally copped these champion dunks. But before we get into those, man, you already know what I need y'all to do. Scroll down, like the video up, sub up if you haven't, ring that bell. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
79 Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
Alright, man, starting off with the box, you got your regular orange Nike box, man. Side sticker reads Nike Dunk High Retro. Colors are white, midnight navy, size 11.5, retail price $110. And man, I ain't gonna lie with the sizing, bro. I usually wear 11.5, bro, but I should have caught the 11. So if you copping any dunks, man, they usually fit like 1. So I always try to go down half a size at least if you can't try it on. But man, jumping right into these things. I got my Stock X things. I had to cop these up for Stock X, bro. I didn't even try to hit on sneakers, to be honest with you, man. I already knew my L was waiting on me. See, it wasn't too bad, though. The pricing wasn't too much over the, hold on, let me set this up here quick. Pop out my little Stock X flex. But yeah, bro, the pricing on there wasn't too bad. I paid like, what, $175. After like the little fees, it was $203. So yeah, these retail for like $110. And I didn't have any like navy shoes. The only navy blue shoes I have other than these now are those Flints, bro. Yeah, I just needed some more navy blue shoes. And bro, the one thing about Dunks though that I like, man, is how versatile they is. You know what I mean? You could just wear them with anything, dress up, dress down with them, bro. I feel like that's why they the shoe of the year right now. First impressions, man, it's a clean shoe, bro. I love the simplicity of the Dunks, bro. And like I said before, they're just super versatile, man. Wear anything with them, wear them however you want. The fits are completely up to you with these, bro. And man, supposedly with these are supposed to be the Villanova Dunks. That was a part of a pack called like Be True to Your School or something like that, bro, with like the UNLVs, the St. John's, I think Kentucky. I'll put some pictures up here or whatever. But yeah, bro, so that's what these are from, but supposedly they didn't want to pay the schools no bread to use their name, so championship Navy it is. Getting into the shoe, bro, starting off from the bottom, you got your regular Jordan 1 type traction on these, bro, with that navy blue sole, white midsole with your white and navy blue accents all around these joints, man, with the navy blue laces. I would love to see, I might have to do a little lace swap, man. I want to see what these would look like with some white laces, bro. I don't know. I kind of like the contrast with the tongue and the laces, though, the two different colors, but white laces just do something to every shoe, bro. You can't go wrong with white laces, man. With your navy blue Nike check right there. What color? Let me see what the insole is talking about. Just glued in there. Just an orange Nike check on the insole as well, bro. Super clean, dope shoe. Not really even too much to talk about. The leather is mediocre for sure. We never gonna get the leather from the OG days. Nike ain't doing it. For $110 price, bro, I don't really have any complaints. I would say they look better in person. And I think with the fall season coming around, winter and the fall, man, I feel like the Dunk Highs, man, I think these are the move, bro. It's getting a little cold outside, you know what I mean? Cover up the ankles, you feel me? High tops are definitely the move, man, for the end of the year. But that's enough talking, man. Let's get into that on feet. Yes, sir. And yeah, bro, after looking at them on the feet, bro, I'm liking these things, man. 9 out of 10 for sure. Would have been a 10 out of 10 if we could have got some extra laces with them. But it's not a perfect world. So yeah, bro. 9 out of 10 for these things, bro. I'm really feeling these. I wish I would have went down another half a size in these, bro. Just because I like for my shoes to fit like perfect. You know what I mean? Because my foot ain't going no more. So I like that snug fit. And it helped stop creasing right here. If y'all didn't know that already. You go get your exact size, it won't crease. I ain't gonna say won't, but it won't crease as bad. But yeah, man, that pretty much wraps it up for these championship dunks, bro. Y'all let me know if y'all feeling these, man. What would y'all rate these and how much would y'all pay for them, bro? Because I honestly feel like, man, I think they went down from when last time I bought them, bro. Dang, I got ads. Why y'all ain't say nothing, man? Advertisement playing. But yeah, man, like I was saying, I think the price on these actually went down from when I bought them, bro. Like I said, I paid $175 on these, bro. They might be like $160 by now, bro. So yeah, I can definitely see these shooting up in the future. Cause bro, the farther away from the release date you go, the higher the prices are. That's with any shoe, really. So I say if y'all even feeling these just a little bit, go ahead and cop them. If y'all see how y'all don't like them, sell them, man. Real talk. But before the prices shoot up on these things. But it's your boy Kinfolkkari, man. Like, subscribe, leave y'all comments, y'all thoughts down below. If y'all rocking with these or if these things trash, y'all let me know, man. And leave a like, sub up if you haven't, and ring that bell. It's your boy Kinfolkkari. I'm out.